Hey everyone, let's look at how we can work with grids in Canva. Okay, so what is this big deal about designing with a grid? Basically, grid is a very good tool when you want to develop a layout. It gives you clarity, it is more efficient, it helps to put your design across in a more informative way. Okay, so how can we do this with Canva? Okay, you just open up Canva, do a custom design or like whatever suits you. Then go into the elements and type in grids. There are so many layouts you can choose from. Just browse through and see which one suits your purpose. If you want to, like maybe you want to show color guides, or you want to like make a collage or something like that. So choose the layout or choose the grid that actually suits your purpose. Okay, I am actually choosing this, and I just want to put some images of cats, like and see how they turn out. Okay, let's go to the photo section here, type in cats. Okay, just pick some random cat and put them in. Okay, just drag it to one of the elements and one of the grid, and you can basically like crop the image so that it fits nicely, or if you want to resize it, everything you can do. Okay, so just double click on the image if you want to make any changes to the image before you put inside the grid element. Okay, I think I want to adjust this a little bit more. Okay, let's see. Double click and drag it. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. Okay, just drag it down to arrange. Okay, this looks cute. Okay, now I'm going to choose some other cats also, just arrange them. You can play around with the spacing. If you want to give some spacing in between the different photos, you can do that. See how nicely it will align, giving a very nice layout. It is very pleasing to the eye. And if you're actually designing a poster or something that is informative, it is actually a very good way to present. Grid layout, doing it in a grid way is actually a very good way to present. It brings your idea across much more clearly. Okay, I'm just going to finish this up. Okay, this looks good. Here's some more, two more cats. Come on. Just yeah, just when you see the pop-up, there are some things you can do with images. Also, you can animate them. Each individual photos you can animate. Okay, so this looks nice. Maybe I'll add a text. Okay, just choose one of the pre-text already done one. Let me do the rodeo. Click on it, just type in cats. Okay, just resize it. Cats. Yeah, this will actually look very good on a blog post or Insta post. We can just resize it according to our needs. You can just, okay, this is a very cool thing. You can just position it and it's right in the middle. And yeah, this looks pretty nice. Now let me show you how you can do another. Maybe I want to do a color grid, so I'm going to go to grids. I'm going to just choose something that's like yeah, I think just okay, this one. This one you can show maybe gradients of colors or different colors. I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to choose the color and change the color. See, you can actually put in the pictures, or you can put in colors. You can even put in videos. Okay, after this I'm going to do the video one. Okay, see, this one you can okay, this is just a rough one. You can actually do the gradients of color and um, save it. Okay, this looks nice. If you want to animate, you can animate, but I don't see a reason to animate this, so just leave it. I think the cat one will be a pretty good thing to animate. Yeah, let me add a page, and this time let's try videos. So what we can do with the videos. Okay, I'm going to choose one of the grids. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to go to elements and look for videos, search for videos with cats. Choose whichever video you want, or if you have your own, you upload them. Just drag, just like you did for your picture, just drag it. You can crop your videos, try playing it. You can trim your videos, you can animate, you can do all sorts of things, add music. Okay, so I'm going to drag another video. Oh, it doesn't have to be all videos. You can add photos or text, or like just align them in such a way that it puts your message across nicely. Okay, I'm just going to play this. Okay, looks, see how nice it looks when you do it in a grid layout. Okay, let me see the video. All of them will play at the same time, I think. Yeah, they're all playing at the same time. Just fill this up also. It's just something. Okay, arrange it. Okay, looking good. Okay, the last one. Okay, so once you're done, you can just okay, I want to copy paste the text I actually did earlier to make it more appealing. Okay, we'll just copy, yeah, copy, and command C, command V works fine, and it will should it be in the same position. You don't have to arrange any position. Also, it's already centralized and everything. So when you start playing, okay, I'm just going to animate this thing. Just, yeah, it's nice. Okay. Can play around with it. There are a lot of okay, you see that arrow there, you can use that. There are many more hidden animation features in Canva, so you can just play around with them, choose whichever suits your project. Get bouncy yeah, this one. Okay, so once it's ready, maybe we can preview. Okay, this is just the timing. You can change the timings of your slides. If you're doing a slide, then you can actually change the timings, which slide you want to show for 5 seconds, more than 10 seconds. You can do that. I think I have a loading issue. The bouncing animation didn't come as quite as expected. Let me try refreshing. Okay, I'm gonna play again. It is coming, but it's just a lag for my PC. But the animation is there. When I save this video, I think it'll play properly. Okay, so now you have an idea how you can use grid layout in Canva to do your project. So have fun with it. And if you would like to share your work, you can comment and maybe leave a link. You can take a look. There are so many grids. There's so much you can do. Like you can do a collage, a whole lot of collages, video collage, photo collage, all the combination, like photo, video, and text. You can just play around with it. Save it as an MP4, and if you just wanted to save it as a PNG file, you can do that also. There are so many options. There is a free 30-day Pro Canva trial link in the description box below. Click on it and give it a try, and let me know how it works out for you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Bye.